Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chileta Cynthia. I hope you guys are doing fine. I hope you guys are doing all right. So guys, in this video, I'm going to be doing a cap gele, and the name of this cap gele is the Zara cap. If you are interested in learning this gele is the easiest. You can do it yourself. I probably did it on a mannequin, so I'll be able to show you guys and describe it so well so that you guys will be able to understand every step of this video. So if you're interested in watching this video, do keep on watching. So guys, the name of this fabric is the mirror face fabric. I love this fabric because it's shiny and has this kind of elegant look. So guys, I'm going to be dividing this fabric into two. That's the 50-50 ratio. I'm going to be marking, I'm going to be pressing the end, and you see the mark I gave it. So I'm going to be using like a hard cardboard sheet. Let me just call it a cardboard sheet, like a paper to form this cap. I'm going to be rolling it twice. This is the first roll, and I'm going to smoothen it to arrange it to make sure it's very smooth. I'm going to be rolling it for the second time. So guys, you can see how lovely this fabric look. I love this fabric. So I'm going to be putting it right on the forehead of my mannequin. You know, this is not a human head. I have no advantage of somebody holding the material for me, so I have to grip hold that fabric so well so it doesn't loosen up. So I'm going to be tying it. So guys, I'm not going to be doing the regular ruffles. I'm not going to be doing that. I'm looking for an easy, quick way for me to do this Zara cap. So I decided to use pleats. I did the pleats, and after doing it, I rolled them down to the base. So I'm going to be using a pin to secure so it doesn't loosen up. I'm going to be securing it down with an office pin to the base, to the knot. So now I'm going to be taking the other fabric, the other piece of the clothing. I'm going to be making the same pleats. I'm making the same pleats, and I'm making this pleat on top of the pleat I already made initially. So guys, this is the front view of these pleats, how I'm arranging them, and this is the front view, and I'm going to be showing you guys the side view. So guys, this is the side view of my pleats. I'm arranging them, and I'm using pins to secure each and every pleat so it doesn't just loosen that easily. So I make at least 3 pleats, then I pin down. I make 3 pleats and I pin down. So guys, this is the final outcome of this cap tutorial. Tell me what you think about this look. Is it easy to make? Try it. Tell me what you think about it. I wanted to know if there is an easier way to make my ruffles than pinning everywhere. So let me know what you think about this method. Tell me what you think about this tutorial. Do well to subscribe to my channel if you are yet to subscribe to my channel. Please do not forget like and share to your friends. I love you all. Thanks for watching to this end. God bless you. Bye.